If you want to change the export bitrate in Audacity, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can export your audio with the quality you want. Whether you are making music, voiceovers, podcasts, or any other audio project, choosing the right bitrate can make a big difference in sound quality and file size. If this video helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Audacity tutorials, just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure your audio is ready to export. Once everything sounds the way you want it to, look at the top left corner and click File. From the menu, choose Export Audio. This is where Audacity lets you save your finished audio in different formats. After that, click Export to Computer so you can choose the export settings on your device. Now you will see the format options. Click the Format box and select MP3 Files. This is one of the most common formats because it works well for sharing, uploading, and playing on most devices. After selecting MP3, move to the bitrate mode option and click it. From the list, select Constant. Choosing constant bitrate means the data flow stays the same throughout the entire file, which can help with more stable playback in some situations. It is a useful option if you want a consistent export rather than a variable one. Next, click the Quality box. Here, you can choose the bitrate you want for your export. For example, you can select 320 kilobits per second if you want higher quality audio. In general, higher bitrate numbers mean better audio quality, but they also create larger file sizes. So if you are exporting for professional use, music, or any audio where quality matters, a higher setting may be the best choice. But if you want a smaller file for quick sharing or uploading, you may want to choose a lower bitrate instead. Take a moment to pick the setting that fits your project best. Once your format, bitrate mode, and quality are set correctly, you are ready for the final step. Click Export, and Audacity will begin saving your audio with the bitrate settings you selected. Depending on your file size and computer speed, this may take a few moments. After that, your exported file will be ready to use. And that is how you change the export bitrate in Audacity. It is a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can control the balance between quality and file size every time you export. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more Audacity tips, audio editing guides, and beginner-friendly software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.